Welcome back to the Clean My Space channel. My name is Melissa Maker and I am an accidental cleaning expert because I hate cleaning and my cleaning business just turned 16 and I still have yet to find that passion in my heart for chores. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you what I've done to make cleaning a little bit more fun. I can't say it's ever gonna be fun or enjoyable for me, but these are the things I've done to get by. So if you want ways to spice up your cleaning, stick around. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. And while you're at it, think about signing up for the Dirty Dish. It's our newsletter. I've got a link for it down below. We don't send it out too often, but when we do, it's full of cleaning inspiration and motivation, tips, tricks, and ideas. And it actually is quite helpful, and it's free. If you struggle to stay interested and motivated while you're cleaning, think about brain candy. What can you give your brain to keep you going while you're doing something you don't like? And for me, there are three main forms of brain candy: music, podcasts, and audiobooks. If you ever see me cleaning, I will have AirPods in and my phone in my pocket because I will be listening to a variety of podcasts. I am a pod girl. I will tell you what I have on my roster. I've got Esther Perel, I've got Malcolm Gladwell, I've got Criminal, I've got Science versus Planet Money, This American Life, The Moth, The Journal, Darknet Diaries, oh my gosh, so many more. I love stories, I love business, I love economics. Listen, doesn't matter what I love. The point is I'm learning, I'm being entertained, and I'm getting a job done that I don't find particularly exciting. And that's what brain candy is all about. So find what interests your mind, put in your ear listening devices of choice, and get to cleaning. Entire TV networks have built their business models off of the power of before and afters. And listen, you can bring the exact same practice into your home by taking before and after photos of your cleanings. Send them to your friends or your family to get motivation or compliments. Keep them in a photo album. And hey, even send them in to us on Instagram. I love seeing them and I will gladly reshare them if you give me permission. And you can find us at Clean My Space on Instagram, by the way. I can't imagine a time where I would ever use cleaning and sensual in the same sentence, except for right now, because you have to make cleaning a sensual experience. Hear me out. If you're making your own cleaning products, and we have a whole ebook on how you can do that, I'll link it for you down below. You can use essential oils to make your cleaning products smell great. Now, why is this important? Because smell affects our mood and affects how we feel. And you can actually manipulate that by choosing a certain type of essential oil. And by the way, the one that excites me might not be the one that excites you. I really don't like floral scents, but you might love them. So find a scent that you really love and add it to your DIY cleaners. You will notice a boost in your mood and it will help you get by. On those mornings where you really need to lift yourself up, what do? Do you have an extra cup of coffee? Do you get yourself a fancy cup of coffee? Do you go out for a special breakfast or make yourself something really awesome? I don't know. Whatever it is that you do to make yourself feel amazing on a morning where you know you need that extra motivation, do it for the morning that you are going to be cleaning. Because for me, it's all about mindset. I have to be in a good mood and a good place in order for me to start cleaning. If I'm not, I just find that I drag my feet or I kind of feel sorry for myself. So that's why kind of the emotional prep and then the physical prep of like getting yourself into that positive headspace is key. And for me, I find kind of treating myself with something that elevates my mood is a great way to start off a cleaning day. We've been making YouTube videos since 2011, and many of the videos we make are clean with me style videos. And at first, I thought that was really weird. I'm like, who would want to watch me clean? But listen, clean with me videos are all over the place, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. People love watching other people clean. fine. If you are one of those people, turn on one of my videos, one of my playlists, or any other creator that inspires or motivates you, and just literally clean with them. Have them do their thing, you do yours. I'm not generally a proponent of having other distracting media play while you do your work, but for so many people, we have gotten comments over the years that this provides them so much help and encouragement. So if that works for you, you do it. You do it. Just like you make a grocery list so you don't go buck wild at the grocery store, it's the same thing when it comes to cleaning. And while I wouldn't necessarily say this is fun, what it does do is it gives you the ability to be very specific about what you need to get done, and then you get that ultimate satisfaction of striking something off your list when it's completed. Trust me. List out 3 to 5 things, scratch them off, get your jobs done, move on with your day. Something I noticed very quickly as a professional cleaner is that the job of cleaning is way easier if you're using good quality products and tools, and way more frustrating if you're using subpar stuff. So that's why I invest in good cleaning products and tools. Of course, there are a lot of cleaning products you can make on your own, but the ones you can't, definitely spend the money on them because they will do the work for you that you don't want to do. And the exact same thing goes for cleaning tools. So many people know I have my own line of cleaning tools called Maker's Clean. We just launched this amazing new product called the Scrub Square. It replaces the everyday sponge. It's machine washable, it's non-scratching, but it's scrubby. It's great. I'll link it for you down below as well. But point being, it just saves me time because it does a job that I don't have to struggle with so much. So by combining the right products and tools, by knowing what you're doing and getting good quality stuff, you will not have to sweat any more than you absolutely have to. It's so simple, it's so basic, but it works. Just find an incentive that makes you excited and promise yourself you can have that thing once you're done the task. Whether it's food or a relaxation thing or a self-care thing, whatever the case may be, just make yourself happy once you've done the hard work. Sometimes you need a little help from a friend or a family member, and if you're struggling to clean, bring someone into the misery mix with you. Joking, but not joking, but kind of joking. If you have a friend and your friend kind of struggles with cleaning and you kind of struggle with cleaning, pair up. Bring them over, have them bring the drinks and the pastries or whatever. You clean together according to a list at your place, and then you return the favor. That way you get to spend time together with someone who you really enjoy spending time with, kind of like the brain candy concept, but you're doing the task that you both struggle with. And by them helping you, and then by you helping them, not only are you doing something great for one another, but you're going to spend quality time together too. I know it's not in everyone's budget, and I know it might not be something that you can do regularly, but if you're really struggling and you don't know where to begin, consider saving up or booking just a couple of hours with a cleaning company, having them do the things you really don't want to do, watching them, working alongside them, getting tips from them, and using that to bring into your own cleaning practice, if you will. Honestly, when I'm feeling very overwhelmed, I am grateful to have cleaning help as well. So don't be shy. If you need help, find it. Find a reputable cleaning company in your area and bring them in. While I can't take away the pain of cleaning from you, I can give you ways to make it a little bit more easy, enjoyable, and ultimately my goal is for you to learn how to clean more efficiently and effectively so that you can get the job done right the first time and you don't have to waste time cleaning. That is what moved the needle for me when it came to cleaning. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, why do you watch cleaning videos in the first place? Is it because you want to learn how to clean? Is it because you're looking for motivation for cleaning? Is it because you just want to clean alongside someone else who's also cleaning? Let me know in the comments down below. It would be my pleasure to join you while you are cleaning, and all you have to do is turn on this Clean With Me playlist, and I'll be right there cheering you on. There are a couple of other ways you can support the Clean My Space channel. You can subscribe to it, and you can also check out Makers Clean, which is where we sell all of our cleaning tools, our premium microfiber cleaning tools. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.